Had 3 triplets that ended up in great need and utilized GABR, and they are a top rider now, so they kind of got me started, and seeing the benefit of what they received made me want to contribute back.
And today we packed the gym at Legacy High School with 100 teams or more, and we raised over $400,000 to support the kids in our community. Primarily in central and western North Dakota, and these are kids that have a disability that will permanently affect their development.
My son suffers from cerebral palsy. His team name is Benny's Wolfpack. This is our 2nd year, and GABR has helped us in the past 3 years with equipment, so we're grateful for that.
If we as a community don't come together to help them, you know, that's what we, you know, that's our responsibility, and it takes a village. And so anything that I can do, even if it's just riding a bike for a little while and bringing awareness, then that's what's important. So. 100%, every penny of what we raise goes to help support patients directly with things that aren't covered by insurance.
We need to help people, you know, whether it's friends or family or whatever. Some of us face some type of issue during our lifetime, so help now, and hopefully if my family ever needs it, somebody will help us.
I mean, think 1,500 people crammed in a gym, 100 spin bikes, 150 volunteers, loud, fun music. It gives me chills to think about it.